Hi, I'm Clodagh. I'm from Ireland and I've spent many years living in China. So, you might have heard the news a couple of days ago about a Chinese live streamer that was fined 210 million US dollars. I know what you're thinking. 210 million US dollars. If she was fined that much, then how much was she bloody making? The number is in fact correct, and here's the details. First, a bit of background on this person. So, her real name is Huang. She is one of the biggest Chinese live streamers. She's more commonly known as Viya, and she's literally in the top 2 live streamers in China.
Wow!
Her live streams are so popular that in April of 2020, she actually sold a rocket launch for 5.6 million US dollars, which is around 40 million yuan. If you're unaware of how big the live streaming sector is in China, I'll leave an article in the description below, but just trust me, it is crazy big. Anyway, as one of the top Chinese live streamers, Viya makes bank. And there's a very good reason that she does. She's known to be incredibly hardworking and exceptional at her job. And her viewers trust her, so that is why they love to buy from her. So here's the details on the fine. The State Taxation Bureau actually issued a statement on their website, and it said that she avoided taxes of up to 643 million yuan by concealing some of her income and making false declarations in 2019 and 2020. So what I think is really interesting about this is, how did they figure it out? How did the tax administration figure out that she had been concealing income and had been making false declarations? I mean, in every country, this kind of thing has been going on since income taxation became a thing. And live streaming is such a new industry that it must be difficult to actually figure out how much money people are making. And so, the Tax Bureau in Hangzhou, which is where Viya actually has her companies, they said that they used data analysis because they had their suspicions that she was evading taxes. And even after repeated reminders, she didn't resolve the situation. I'm not making a generalization here based on my own personal experience. Every Chinese person that I know is exceptional at maths. So it doesn't really surprise me that the Taxation Bureau was able to put all the data together, do an investigation, and actually figure out how much income she was concealing. I'm guessing that they're amazing at maths and at analyzing all of this, so it's no surprise to me that they were able to figure it out. All I can say is there's definitely some geniuses in these government offices doing really, really good work. So after looking at this, apart from the astonishing amount of money in question, why is this such a big deal? And the reason is this. In September of this year, the government actually announced tougher regulations on live streamers, influencers, and celebrities. Even more interestingly, shares in some of the biggest Chinese live streaming companies and platforms dropped dramatically after the news broke. I'm guessing there's going to be a lot of Chinese live streamers, influencers, and celebrities making sure that all of their back taxes are paid and that there are no issues with their taxes. And considering that Viya actually grossed sales of around 31 billion yuan in 2020, I think she's going to be okay. What do you think about the Chinese live streaming industry? Did this news come as a shock to you? Did you ever even realize that it is this big? And did you think that a live streamer could be fined this much money? Let me know what you think in the comments. I would love to hear your thoughts. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. Until next time, 再见.